of fund to the Bodoland territorial region, an outlay of rupees 800 crore have been earmarked to Bodoland Territorial Council under SOPD for the financial year 23-24 as follows. Sectorial allocation SOPD 23-24, PWD 98 crore, 9862 crore, Agriculture 2835 crore, PNRD 5107 crore, WPT and BC 10682 crore, Forest 5092 crore, 92 lakhs, Health and Family Welfare 7656 lakhs, Education 10150 lakh, 11357 lakhs, Irrigation 2068 lakhs, Water Resource 2047 lakhs, PHC 620 lakhs, Public Work by ZAD 4757 lakhs, Land Revenue and Disaster Management 825 lakhs, Urban Development 1233 lakhs, Tourism 909 lakhs, Small Scale Industry 630 lakhs, Bodoland Handloom and Textile 1597 lakhs, Sericulture 577 lakhs, Sports Youth Welfare 1077 lakhs, Social Welfare 1203 lakhs, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary 1050 lakhs, Fishery 735 lakhs, Cooperation 420 lakhs. Soil Conservation 735 lakhs, Under Transport Services 714 lakhs, Art and Culture 514 lakhs, Dairy Development 304 lakhs, Printing and Stationery 210 lakhs, Information and Public Relation 409 lakhs, Museum and Archaeology 316 lakhs, SIT 1275 lakhs, Market and Fairs 388 lakhs, Library Services 441 lakhs, Labor Welfare 1052 lakhs, Economic and Statistics 64 lakhs, FCS and CA 57 lakhs, Legal Meteorology 37 lakhs, Cinema Theatre 330 lakhs, Excise 15 lakhs, Lottery 1 lakh, Transformation and Dairy 800 lakhs, total 800 crore is earmarked this year. Now, based on the sectorial allocation, the honorable departmental years concerned shall prepare their respective annual operation plan, which is the procedure following also in the Assam government. Expenditure of normal budget of the BTC for the financial year 23-24. Let me draw the attention of August House that an amount of rupees 1042.72 crore included in the state budget for 23-24 has not been included in the receipt of the council budget as per norms stipulated by the Principal Accountant General of Assam. Honorable Speaker, sir, I now presently estimate receipt and expenditure of the normal budget of BTC for the financial year 23-24 with estimated receipt of rupees 213342.92 lakhs, only an estimate expenditure of rupees 2184.90 lakhs, only with surplus amount of rupees 11 crore 58 lakhs, 11 crore 50 lakhs only for the consideration of the August House. Budget of BTC at a glance for the financial year 23-24. Grant in 8, grant for infrastructure development 200 crore, ex gratia payment to Bodoland Martial 25 crore, consolidated SOPD 800 crore, matching share to Bodo Peace Accord 25 crore, assistant to BTC Assembly Secretariat 4 crore 34 lakhs, assistant to BTC Secretariat 5 crore 79 lakhs, financial assistant for construction of residence 2 crore 89 lakhs, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchay Yojana 116 crore 75 lakhs, Administrative grant to BTC 17 crore. This is the normal budget, and thank you very much. Sabakor dhanyabad, Jai Hind.